Guys, we are in Udaipur. We're back at our hotel. It's around 4 or something, and we've come back to, like quickly change our outfit. And once we're done with that, we're gonna go to Sahelio Ki Bari and speed boating at Fateh Sagar Lake. So yeah, let's quickly get going. Guys, outfit change done, and now we're heading to Sahelio Ki Bari. Also look, twinnies. We've reached Sahelio Ki Bari, and this is supposedly a place where Rani used to play with her friends. And यहाँ पे also we've opted for a tour guide. Have this corner where like they make you wear such outfits and then you can click pictures. Since we are running very late, we're not gonna do that. Guys, oh my god, just look at the lighting here.
बंद हो जा
बंद हो जा
सिमसिम
That was not magic. There was some uncle who was watching us doing all the actions, and then he was controlling the water level. So yeah, he was doing it. Honestly, this feels like a mini Indian version of Miracle Garden, which is in Dubai. Like, even this is so pretty. It's filled with green plants and flowers, and it's all about greenery. It looks so pretty. We are going for boating. Yay! We're going for speedboat. It's like a 2-minute ride in the boat. Let's go. Bagor Ki Haveli. I hope we get the tickets because usually they're always sold out. We got the tickets here. We are here and the show starts at 7 and it's 6:55, so we're waiting 5 more minutes to go. I've heard a lot about this place, like this show, and like before coming here I watched many vlogs and almost everyone had come here, so I thought I should not miss this one. So yeah, here we are. Guys, it's dinner time and we have come to Baromasi. It's literally like so close to our hotel. Just you step outside outside Lake Pichola and uske baaju mein there's Baromasi. This lift is so cute. बोल रही थी बोलना. Guys, good morning. It's around 10:15 or something and we are heading for breakfast. The breakfast closes at 10:30 and we woke up very late. I'm done with my shower, not ready yet, but these two people, they just washed their face, brushed their teeth and have come down. Hey you guys, what's up? Good morning. Today was a very chill morning. We chilled all this while and now we've finally gotten ready to go to Jagat Niwas and we're going there for lunch. It's a very pretty place. I've already made a table reservation. I've asked them to give us the lakeside one, but not sure if we'll get it because it's usually very crowded. But yeah, let's hope for the best and let's get going. Guys, our fit for today is this very cute pink dress. I got it from some store in Surat. I don't remember the name, but yes, the bag again from Colaba. Bracelet is from Hill Road, earrings are from Kolaba, glares are from Hill Road, and yes, the same mojuris. Let's go! Guys, Jagat Niwas is like 750 meters away from our hotel, so we're just gonna walk it out today. Guys, we have reached Jagat Niwas and we got the lakeside gate. I am so happy. And honestly, like when we were booking our Udaipur trip, we wanted to stay here, but the rooms were not available. Like the Lakeview rooms were not available, so we thought of staying at Hotel Lake Pichola instead. But that's equally good. Initially, we were going to come here for breakfast, but then they told us that they won't serve anything other than beverages. So we thought of coming here for lunch because we had to like have full ऐसे proper vibes and lunch and stuff. This is the lasagna. I see when you look at it, it looks all green, but trust me, it's very tasty. Guys, we ordered triple cheese lasagna and it's so yum. It mainly has spinach, 3 types of cheese, broccoli, tomato puree. It's very yummy. To be very honest, I'm not a fan of green vegetables, but this is yummy. Nice. It's quite flavorful. So guys, make sure you all follow me on Instagram because I've been posting a lot like in recent days, but by the time the vlog is up and you all start following me, the stories will obviously disappear. So I'm gonna make a highlight of Udaipur and you all can check that out. I can't stop admiring. Guys, I can't stop admiring this place. It's just so pretty, look. And I can't stop admiring myself. We were going to order gulab jamun, but उसके साथ रबड़ी थी और रबड़ी चाहिए नहीं था तो pancakes it is. Nutella pancake is here. They served Nutella, maple syrup, what is this? Hershey's syrup and ice cream with it. फिर मेरे को खाते हुए देखना पता चलेगा मैं टिकट से.
You all are trying and I'm still decorating.
Yum. मुझे और खाना है. मस्त है ना? Heading back to our hotel. That's how we're sitting. Guys, you're not ready for this bit. Oh my god. This is so pretty. We're all ready to leave for Karnamata ropeway, and this is what I'm wearing. These earrings, like these are on fabric. I showed it to you all in the haul, I think. Yeah, got this pimple. Don't ignore it. But yeah, this very cute boho bag, this bangle set, kurti, white plain kurti, jutti. Wow, I love this fit so much. Let's go. The rickshaw right now, and we are heading to Karnamata ropeway. It's like a temple, but you have to climb and you know like you have to go through a ropeway and then you reach the temple. It's at a height. My sisters have already been there and this is the first time I'm going there. Also guys, मैंने ये पेन तो ली है but it's going to be so difficult for me because these are literally so heavy. I don't know, I'll probably remove them while I'm climbing and just wear them again for pictures. Guys, we've got the ticket. Now we're just waiting in the queue for our turn to come. And we paid like 662 for 3 people. In the ropeway now. Everyone's busy recording on their phone. Guys, this ropeway is very quick. Huh? We reached within like 3 minutes or something, I think. Yeah. We reached like थोड़ा सा ही हो रहा है एकदम. Okay guys, we have reached. That's the temple. We're gonna go there, but first we're gonna click a few pictures because the light is fading away. The view, oh my god, it's so pretty. Wow. Guys, there's such good wind here. Just so majestic here. Yeah. Guys, Khushi is counting the boats. You guys, nostalgia hit me hard. I saw this Barbie phone here. You know that toy phone you used to get in local train, like ting 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 wala. It was there and मुझे बचपन की याद आ गई. कैसा है? Honestly, all I wanna say is Udaipur, you're gorgeous. Hi you guys, very low on energy right now. We're just going for dinner. We're going to Upre. It's very it's literally so close to our hotel. We have our room on the second floor and the restaurant is on the third floor. तो कुछ है ही नहीं मतलब हमें खाली लिफ्ट में बैठ के जाना है.
Interrupting our dinner date. Harshita is interrupting our candlelight dinner.
For sure.
Guys, what stupidity is this? Nonsense.
नहीं देती.
At this point I feel like I'm third wheeling. मेरे को ऐसे बीच में बिठा दिया है.
You are.
Also guys, be it lunch, breakfast, dinner, we got to order French fries. So आज का भी one item is French fries for sure.
मेरा नहीं ले सकती.
Guys, the best thing is here. Guys, today we got brownie for free, like complimentary. I don't know for what, but yeah.
It was because
Hi you guys, good morning. It's our last day in Udaipur and I'm not ready for this. I don't want to leave this beautiful property. Like I have mixed feelings. I also want to go back home because I am extremely tired and I just, I just can't wait to be back home. So we're all ready and it's around like 11 or something and we skipped our breakfast today. So we're gonna do like a brunch and we're going to Tapri today. It's like a very popular place in Udaipur and I've heard a lot about it. So we'll go there and do our brunch at around 12 or something, and once we're done with that we're gonna go shopping because we need to shop things for everyone, like घर पे सबके लिए कुछ लेना है. And right after shopping we might go for a camel ride or something at Fateh Sagar if time permits, and at 6:15 we have our boat ride, like Lake Pichola boat ride, because that's still left. हमने अभी तक वो नहीं किया है. We actually want the sunset time, so it's 6:15. So it's like a 45 minutes boat ride, and right after that we have a train at 9 p.m. So right after we're done with boating we will go to the reception washroom and change and leave for railway station. It's our last day in Udaipur and we really want to make the most out of it. Okay guys, before we leave, let me show you my fit real quick. I'm wearing this very cute tie-up top. It has balloon sleeves and I just love the color so much, and it's matching with my nails here. I'm pairing this top with these white wide leg pants. The same my go-to silver bag and earrings. So guys, the earrings are so cute today. It has this elephant. So cute. Guys, we have to check out now. I love this place so much. Guys, honestly, I love this hotel so much. The bathrooms are so clean. The rooms are very clean. The only thing which I slightly dislike about this property is the food. The breakfast wasn't good. Like we had breakfast for 2 days here and it wasn't really nice. It was like everything was very dry. The bread was very hard. It was not very soft, and poha was dry, idli was dry. So that's thoda something, but other than that, oh my god, this property, I just loved it.
Hi.
We have finally reached Tapri. Guys, they have served some panna juice. Let's try it. It's like thoda sa like nimbu pani only. It's good. There's such a cute thing here. Like if you want to call the guy, you have to press this call button, then you want to call for your bill, then you can press this one. The emoji says it all. Guys, they give a lot of complimentary food. They served us khakra. I love khakra so much. We've ordered Nutella bun maska and rajma chawal sev puri is yet to come. Too sweet for me. Maggie is looking very tempting. Let's try it first. Extremely yum. It's so yum. Let's try the sev puri now. It's decent. It's good. Struggling again. मैं तो मस्त आराम से पीछे बैठी हूँ. Just got done with our camel ride. Guys, it's time for a boat ride. Yeah, finally. Oh my god, our last thing in Udaipur. We get to see all the properties now. That's Taj. There are literally so many boats here and we're waving at everyone. Like whenever we're crossing a boat, we're just waving at them and they're waving back. So cute. There it's Taj. Guys, that's where Pariniti Chopra got married. And this is where we were staying. You guys were leaving for railway station and I'm not ready for this. I'll miss you, Udaipur. You were literally perfect. I'll miss the view. I'll miss the vibe which this place had. I'll miss everything about this place. It was phenomenal. Kushi is getting my bag. I got her bag because I can't lift my huge bag with my nails. She has the smaller bag, so I got this one. We're ordering Domino's on station for the first time. I hope this works because we are starving. We did not have our dinner. Also, guys, our relative sent us this whole bag of food. There's so much in it. Oh my god, thank you so much. Guys, our pizza has come, but we didn't know that it's gonna be this big.
I knew it.
And we've also ordered 2 garlic bread sticks also.